Welcome to XRP News Channel. XRP ETF goes live. XRP beats Bitcoin on utility, says Teucrium CEO. XRP price surged 4.46% to $24 with a 124% jump in trading volume, facing resistance at $2.30. The launch of the first US leveraged XRP ETF by Teucrium, ranking in the top 5% of new funds by volume, signals strong institutional interest. Please don't forget to subscribe to receive the next crypto news. Increased real-world utility and a potentially more favorable regulatory environment under new SEC Chair Paul Atkins are boosting XRP's outlook. XRP is back in the spotlight, this time with a sharp price jump that's turning heads across the crypto market. In the past 24 hours, XRP price has climbed 46% to hit $2.24. Even more impressive? Trading volume has soared by 124%, reaching $592 billion. That kind of volume usually means one thing: investors are paying attention. However, the rally did slow down slightly at the $2.30 resistance level, leading to a small pullback of $0.06. Amid the price action, a key question has emerged across the crypto market: is XRP going to go up from here? First ever XRP ETF launches in the US. One reason XRP is on fire right now? A major milestone just dropped. Asset manager Teucrium has launched the first ever XRP ETF in the United States, offering leveraged exposure to the token. That's a big deal, especially for traders looking for institutional-grade products. Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas says the ETF already ranks in the top 5% of new fund launches by trading volume. That's a strong debut. Teucrium CEO Sal Gilberti described the response as terrific and didn't hold back on his praise. He even said XRP has more real-world use than Bitcoin, which he sees mainly as a store of value. Gilberti also gave Ripple high marks for its professionalism and pointed to XRP's growing role in global finance. Ripple Hidden Road Partnership. Ripple's partnership with Hidden Road is expected to further enhance XRP's institutional appeal. Once regulatory approval is granted, Hidden Road will begin using the XRP ledger for post-trade clearing operations, demonstrating its ability to handle large-scale financial transactions efficiently. Data firm Keiko says the success of Teucrium's ETF could pave the way for a spot XRP ETF, a product that many investors are eagerly waiting for. If approved, it could boost XRP's market presence and bring in even more institutional interest. With trading activity rising and investor interest heating up, XRP's image is evolving fast. It's no longer just about speculation, it's about real-world use and long-term potential. Regulation shift. New SEC chair brings fresh hope on the regulatory side. Things are also looking brighter. There's been a leadership shakeup at the SEC, with Paul Atkins replacing Gary Gensler as chair. Atkins is seen as more crypto-friendly, which is lifting market hopes for clearer, more supportive regulations. The end of the long-running Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit has also removed a major obstacle for XRP. Now, with the legal cloud clearing, investors are watching closely for the next round of ETF approvals and further regulatory updates. What's next for XRP? Momentum builds with strong fundamentals, growing utility, and a more positive regulatory environment. XRP seems to be gaining real momentum. While it's still facing resistance around $2.30, the bigger picture looks increasingly bullish. If the current trends continue, it could be gearing up for a major breakout in the weeks ahead. XRP's recent moves are carving out a clearer path in a market that's still figuring itself out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See the next crypto news. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.